my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Gemini, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from October the 28th to the 4th of November 2020. We shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you, which will serve as a message for you from the universe. All right. So the deck I'm using today for you is the Simply Deep Tarot deck. All right, by Chanel Bayless. And I'm using oracle cards here for you, the Angel Guide Oracle deck, which is by Kyle Gray. I want you to please remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with you. Please take in only what resonates with you and let the rest go. This could be for you, this could be for your person, this could be for your situation you're in. It could also be vice versa energies for those who are probably cross-watching for someone else who's probably, Libran or air sign or a Gemini for that matter. So just calm down, just take in what resonates with you and just let the rest go. All right, if you're looking at a personal reading from me, please feel free to reach me via my email address. I have mentioned it in the description box below. All right, Gemini, let's see what's happening with you in the week 28th October to the 4th. Gemini, what's up? Lovely. All right, Gemini, this looks like a wonderful reading for you. It looks more like a career advice for you than anything else. It's a lovely read. All right, so the overall energy for you, Gemini, for this reading is the Two of Wands. So there you probably have a couple of options of what you probably want to do. Some of you are students, some of you are probably looking for a job or a change in your career. So what I see for you mostly is that with this deck, with this card as your overall energy card, I see that you will probably have a lot of options. It's not like you're going to be stuck in a rut and you'll have to just do the same old dreaded drudged thing. You will probably come out strong. You will have a lot of choices, a lot of opportunities coming your way, and you may come in a situation where you have everybody offering you something and you need to pick. All right, so it will not be a situation where you'll be left with the worst options or maybe no options and you need to make a choice. I don't see that happening for you. Anyways, let's see where this stands out and why this has come up. In your recent past, Gemini, I see the Knight of Coins, which is the Knight of Pentacles, the Sun card, which is the happiest card in the deck, and the Ten of Cups, which is the most beautiful, happily ever after kind of a deck. Now that's the general energy of your life, Gemini. Your recent past or the basic situation around you, you come from a very happy family, you have a lot of support coming from your siblings, perhaps the family members that you have, your folks, your parents, grandparents. You seem to have a huge backing, a lot of moral backing, spiritual backing, family backing, and you have a lot, like even you're probably, if you're working in a company, you have your colleagues backing you, people who really appreciate you, they like you for the person you are. And it's all going great guns for you in the recent past. It's all been wonderful. You do have that happily ever after kind of a vibe I see. Now in the current situation, I see the Ten of Coins, the Judgment, and the Six of Wands. You have worked extremely hard. So the rewards I see that you're probably enjoying now, or the applause you're getting, or the accolades you're receiving, and the appreciation you're receiving from people is all because of your sheer hard work. So it's a very well-deserved kind of a success that you're going to be dealing with currently. Some of you are waiting to hear something, which will be great news, or you're already in that situation where you have already been applauded or appreciated or rewarded for your hard work. And I see like a judgment has been made, a decision has been made in your favor. Whatever you're probably waiting to do has turned into extreme success. And I see a victory in whatever you've tried to achieve. Perhaps if it was an exam, you have topped it. If it was receiving that success amongst friends, you are appreciated. If it's at work, you're again appreciated and applauded. I see a lot of achievement happening for you currently, all right? Going forward, I see the Four of Cups, I see the Devil and the Nine of Coins. So the only thing that's really going wrong with you, Gemini, is that you probably are losing sight of certain aspects of your life, and it's not intentional, it's not something very drastic, it's very natural. So when you're in that very happy place and everything is going great guns for you, and we are in a flow, we don't really sometimes take a note of things that we are not, probably intentionally avoiding, but we kind of ignoring. That could probably mean a relationship that's very close to you. Perhaps you're not doing it intentionally, you're just so busy and just so happy that you haven't noticed that you're probably not giving them enough time. You are not acknowledging them who have actually been so supportive of you. So you may want to focus on these people who are very near and dear to you. I see that you're ignoring some kind of a reciprocal. You need to reciprocate. And I don't think it's coming from a purposeful point of view. I don't think you've realized. So I want you to understand that you probably need to focus on that going forward. I also see that yes, you will get carried away, you will be elated, you'll be extremely proud of yourself, but keep yourself grounded, because I do see a little bit of conceit coming in there. You may want to avoid that. All right, Gemini. I also see the Nine of Coins, Pentacles, an extremely fulfilled journey, a successful journey. I don't see you being worried, because your future has been taken care of. Whatever is going to happen is going to give you a lot of success and victory, and I don't see you insecure in what you're doing. I see you very satisfied and very fulfilled on the whole. So I think the Two of Wands here is a part and parcel of the success, where you will have immense amount of opportunities coming your way, choices that you could make, all good ones, nothing good and bad, all good ones, and one beating the other. So it's a great time for you. If you're going to look at a new opportunity at work, you're going to shine. If you are writing a competitive exam, you're going to shine. If you're going to you're basically going to be rewarded greatly, because you've put in a lot of hard work. So that's what I see for you, Gemini, in this week of October 28th to the 4th of November. Now let's quickly take a look at what the Oracle cards have to say for you as a message for you from the universe. All right? A message from the universe for Geminis for the week October 28th to the 4th of November. Transformation, a lot's going to change for you for the better. So definitely please await change. It's bound to happen. Things are really going to change and give you all the success that you want. I see joy and contentment. I see happiness. I see love in the family. I see love in your job. I see overall contentment, satisfaction with the Nine of Pentacles. I definitely see a very fulfilled kind of a outcome for you as well when I was doing your reading in the previous spread. So here, when I see a message coming directly from the universe which talks about the same thing, it's lovely. So I do see a lot of joy and contentment and a lot of fulfillment coming your way. And I also see that whatever you wish for, whatever that you manifest for yourself will work out for you. So even if you have options, there'll be options which will actually be your choices. So your choosing of those options becomes a lot easier, and it looks great cuts. All right, so that's an overall reading for you, Gemini. Hope I helped. And now I see you perhaps next week. Till then, do take good care of yourself and stay safe. Goodbye.